What? Okay, we yeah.
Dude, draws.
This is old, so you gotta expect it.
Expect shitty draws.
Um,
Every old building does have shitty draws in it.
where's that cat at though?
Fuck you. Wait, look.
What?
That door ain't open.
I know.
Must be some things in my day.
Here's the cat that we was telling y'all about.
Oh, bro, get your ass on my dick.
That's gay.
Yeah, no.
This is what inside of a cat looks like.
Try that shit on this. Shine it on it.
It is. It sounds like potato chips.
My mom's right. I am a psychopath.
Somebody sound like potato. Hey, grab it or something. And bring it outside. It don't stink. It doesn't have a smell, for real.
Bitch, I'm holding the fucking dead cat. What the fuck you mean?
Bro, whoever lives here have no respect for animals.
Or they had an animal and when they got kicked out, they left it.
And it didn't have no food.
If this shit touch my skin, that's your ass, Mr. Postman.
Hold up. Put it on the table. Hey, look at his teeth. Look at his teeth. He has one ear,
It's
skeleton bones, and a half a tail.
half a face.
Half a face?
This ear hard as fuck.
Hey. It feels like a,
I'm gonna turn it to this side.
Go ahead. Here.
This my ass.
Oh, man.
And it look like you.
Oh, God. That looks like Damien. That's what he gonna look. Oh, my God. Oh.
This cat is a crackhead.
Nigga, that's Damien. You can touch it with your bare hand.
I bet the fuck I know. You gonna have a disease. I'm not.
I swear. You can touch it with your hand.
Whoa, do you really smell that though?
Oh, God. Oh, God. What y'all
That shit is a cat.
Oh, God.
That smell like, that smell like somebody's stanky ass pussy.
Oh, God. Oh, it. Oh, God. Oh, that must be the worst smell I have ever smelled. Oh, God. You can't smell it from a far distance?
I can smell it from sitting down next to it. I don't know how you didn't smell it. Here, come get this. Come get this.
It smells like rotten milk.
Rotten pussy.
Spoiled milk. Spoiled eggs.
Spoiled pussy.
Bro, oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
Is your girl's pussy spoiled?
What the fuck was that? Oh, shit.
Oh, it was your
It's
balls.
still in my nose, bro.
You said what was that? It was your ball. It was your balls finally dropping.
Ow. Alright, nigga, I'll chill out. Hold up.
Here.
Hold up, you got me sniff it again?
No, bitch.
No. No, nigga, you don't bust bottles like that. Alright. About to throw this bottle. And there it goes. Splatter. That smells like metal.
Nah, metal doesn't smell like ass.
Metal has probably the worst smell. Probably, bro. What the fuck is wrong with the whiskers though? Look at that. Oh no! I smell from the. Hold up. Hold this real quick.
I still want to know how you still came through that floorboard.
I failed.
You see how hard it is to break that bitch?
Yeah.
You fat as fuck.
Oh.
Bro, that cat smell like. Woo!
Oh shit! Oh, I just seen something. Oh, I'm that serious.
He seen a ghost, Mr. Postman. Here you go, Mr. Here, take this fucking phone, Mr. Postman. You gonna chuck rocks?
Oh shit! Yeah, bro. Look at all these rocks. Now let's go to the bridge for a little bit. Show them where that's at.
Fuck that.
That's gonna probably be in the next video. For now on, I'm gonna start doing. Didn't we say next and every weekend? I caught this one. Hey, nigga, you hit my rock.